Okay, here is test 2 of my little fire alarm. And I forgot to mention this in the other video. I know it doesn't look like it, but this is actually a Spectre alert from Japan. Yeah. So anyway, as you can see, I took the thing apart. See, here's the little cover right here. So, I don't know. I guess this is going to be test 2. So, let's just do sound of an ambulance. So, here we go. Sorry. Now here we go. Bright, real bright. Now, oh, okay. I guess I'll do all the other things, all the other signaling. So next, police car, otherwise fire engine, I don't know. Okay. At least I think it sounds like a fire engine. Yeah, and it may not seem like this in the video, but the horn, well, sounder surprisingly isn't that loud, but it's really loud when I put it on the sound of a fire truck, otherwise police car, fire engine, whatever. It sounds like a police car to me. So, okay, just leave the horn right there, sounder, whatever. Where's the little thing? Come on. I'll put the thing right up to the strobe right up to the camera. Come on. Work. Please work. Yeah. There is a reflector behind the strobe right here, as you can see. But the strobe is very bright. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.